so hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's your Anna Abrar back at it again with another video. So guys, ఇది మన న్యూ ఛానల్ తెలుగులో స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు. సో ఇఫ్ యూ గైస్ ఆర్ న్యూ హియర్, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయాలి, గట్టిగా కొట్టాలి. Okay. And let's quickly start off with the first step. So first thing first, what you gotta do, ఇది చాలా ఈజీగా ఉంది. యా 4 times కొట్టాలి. How to do it? Just tap onto your left side first, then right, left, right. If you 4 times kottali, I'm not showing you like this because you will get confused. I'm showing you like this, but you have to do it by turning it, okay? So first left, right, left, right. While doing this, even we have to have a hop onto our left. Idi ravali. Okay? Let's quickly see how to do it. Whenever you're tapping it, just jump cheyali. Like jump onto your left, jump onto your left, left, idi cheyali. Okay? After that, just go to your right leg and you have to turn back. Alright? Basically we'll be doing it ya like this. We'll be turning it forward, Jai Balayya, and then after turning you can do this like this, and then you can do whatever you want to do, but the hero is doing this. Sare din tarvata you just need to open your right and you gotta do 1 2. This is what we are doing. We are just cleaning the floor with our hand and we are just opening our leg 2 times like this. Alright, just open chayali like that. Cool. So we did Jai Balayya, ya something lyrics is there, I don't know the lyrics. Just go 1 2 din tarvata kottali onto your leg, pull, just close your legs. All right, what we're doing, ha like that you have to do. Your right hand will be straight, 1 2, and then walk tuck, music ustundi. On that just do this. All right, so we go Jai Balayya, 1 2 kottali, pull, walk, 2 3 tuck. Alright, din tarvata the main step will come, which we are going to learn right now, but let's quickly try this part. Slow music lo chestam. Let's do it. Chestam. 5 6 7 Kotu, change, clean. Perfect guys, I hope that you guys ardhamautundi. But yeah, now let's quickly go forward. Let's idi learn cheddam. What you have to do, basically we'll learn the legs. Idi tap cheyali, right leg onto our toe, keep tapping it like this. On left, hop. It's kind of like you're playing chikri bitta, which we used to play in our childhood. Idi game play cheyali, sare. But we are not going to do that. We are going to hop like that and we are going to go forward. If you want to move, you can do it. My istam, sorry. You just gotta go 1 2 3 4. You have to keep repeating it, but the body is important. What you have to do, head low somewhere petali, and then your body come up like this. Then petali, body come up like this. If I do it together, tat ante, tat. Keep doing tat. 1 2 3 4 times repeat cheyali, sare.
Okay,
you got the step. After that again the lyrics will say ya Balayya. Ya first, ya will be opening our right back, right pakkane pettali, then left kuda pakkane pettali. With that you have to pull rendu bar, 1 2. Then you have to keep your right forward and close your left, 3 like that, and your hands will be opening. So right left kottali, and then you have to open and go to the squat position well, and you have to keep your hands over here. Then da Jai Balayya lyrics will say. On that you have to do this. So we did hada pada 4 times. Then ya close your legs, ya Jai Balayya. After that you have to become a mom, Indian mom.
raha nahi jata.
Just go like this with your hand. It's like you're doing this thing which we do in India. Like just go like this and keep your hands over here and then hit. This is your hands. Body is right leg forward, back. While hitting it, you need to take this part out. So yeah, hit like that. Alright, so one more time. Yeah, hit, then ha cut cheyali. After din tarvata close chapak. Over here అయిపోయింది, మొత్తం అయిపోయింది. ఓకే, లెట్స్ ప్రాక్టీస్ దిస్ ఫ్రమ్ హియర్. ఓకే, 5 6 7 8 కొట్టు 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 4 times కొట్టు జంప్ గో యా క్లోజ్ ఓపెన్ జై బాలయ్య గో ఇండియన్ మామ్ హ్యాండ్ హిట్ చకాక్ చకాక్ క్లోజ్ చకాక్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ ఇంకొకసారి బట్ లెట్స్ డూ ఇట్ ఫ్రమ్ ద టాప్ goes 5 6 right leg ya jai balayya oh hatta tata tuk then go hook step kottu 4 times kottu ya jai balayya ఇండియన్ మామ్ పెట్టండి కొట్టు ఒకసారి కొట్టండి అండ్ దెన్ హా భూమ్ ఛా పర్ఫెక్ట్ అండ్ విత్ దట్ బీయింగ్ సెడ్ అయిపోయింది యూ హ్యావ్ లర్న్డ్ ఇట్ నౌ లెట్స్ క్విక్లీ ట్రై ఆన్ ద స్లో మ్యూజిక్ అండ్ దెన్ విల్ ఇంక్రీజ్ ద స్పీడ్ స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్ లెట్స్ డూ ఇట్ 6 7 గో క్లీన్ change Indian mom perfect guys, you guys are killing it ఇంకొకసారి చేద్దాం but this time increase the speed. Let's do it. 5 6 7 go. Change. Perfect guys, and with that being said ఈ వీడియో హెల్ప్ చేస్తామంటే లైక్ చేయండి. లైక్ ఏముంది 100 లైక్స్ చేయండి. నేను నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. లెట్స్ క్విక్లీ ట్రై ఆన్ ద నార్మల్ స్పీడ్.